All right, everyone, so here is a quick look at how I've got the Blue Ridge Overland Gear bum bag set up. I've been carrying it more as a kind of a side bag chest rig type of deal. Let's start on the exterior of this bag real quick. And right here I have the Nikon, let's see, H35 headlamp. This has a red mode, a white light mode, a flood, and a spotlight. So that's really cool. I've liked having it there. And then I've got the strap in here, which we'll get into here in just a moment. Let me flip this camera around and we'll take a look inside this bag real quick. All right, so again, here is the Blue Ridge Overland Gear bum bag. And I've done just the mod of the headlamp on the strap and then just some Titan shock cord right through here to be able to house a little lightweight rain jacket or something like that. And then as far as fishing gear today, I've got my 5-gallon bucket, live bait in here, and then I've also got some fish that we're taking back. This is a Shakespeare Micro Series, and I never can get these things to focus on it. There we go. Just a light action rod with a Sienna 1000 by Shimano. So let's take a look inside the bag, since that's what you all are most likely watching for, but I figured I'd show you all that too. And then these are Danner Sky Ridge boots. Didn't want to wear the dry shod tall boots today, so I just opted for those. So in here, it fits one of these just small little Plano boxes, and this is a Ranger band just to hold it even more secure, and that also kind of plays into my fire kit. This is one of the Blue Ridge Overland Gear med pouches, and this came with my bum bag. I have right here a couple of double A's, a couple of fire plugs, and then some glow sticks right here if I'm night fishing or if I want to mark a trail. And then I won't pull everything out, but I've got a signal bandana, and then also I always have one of these bandanas on me. Oh, and right there, LT Wright Bush Baby. That's been my knife of choice. And then I've got one of the Uberleben Zunden ferro rods there. So as far as the rest of the bag, it's pretty simple. Just a little bit of bank line. I think that may be 25-30 feet. And then a couple of Ziploc bags. If you all can remember from a few posts back, I got stuck out in a rainstorm a couple weeks back, and I would have loved to have had these, but the bag did its job to protect my camera gear. Right here, let's go ahead and let's lift this up a little bit so I'm not bending down the whole time. There is just the headlamp strap for my Nikon. And then I have my ever faithful Leatherman Wave Plus. I use this thing for absolutely everything while I'm fishing. I got a Bic lighter, and then I have a Olight. I think this is the i5T, and this is just a backup right there. And that is what I use with these batteries. But yeah, that is the entirety of my setup. You know, I've got my EDC. Let's flip this around real quick. So yeah, I've got my EDC that I always have on me. I've got the Viking Whetstone and Spark combo. So I've always got a ferro rod, I've always got a striker, and this thing, speaking of fishing, it does extremely well for scaling fish. And then I've got everything in my pockets, my cash belt, and all that. But as far as what you need while you're out fishing, just something like this, the 5-gallon bucket to house all of the bigger stuff like your bait and then whatever you're bringing back. It's been fantastic. So let me flip this around. I'll just show you all where I'm at today. So this place is absolutely gorgeous. This is a really good pan fishing spot. So we've been hitting this place up quite a bit for dinners and things like that. But yeah, that's what I'm carrying. Just super simple. My water bottle's back that way. I always keep liquid IV, and I've actually already drank the liquid IV out of this today. Whenever it's just these really hot days, you want to make sure that you're staying hydrated. So always have a water bottle with you, a way to get clean water, whether you're carrying extra bottles of water in your bucket, your bag, whatever. And then liquid IV helps a whole lot to fight dehydration, especially when you actually are dehydrated. So yeah, that's it today. Hope y'all enjoyed it. All right, so it's gonna be hard to see, but I have this headlamp mounted to the strap of my Blue Ridge Overland Gear bum bag. I got my family back here trailing behind, and it is awesome for lighting up the trail as you're walking out. We're about to come out to the end of the trailhead here. Got a bucket full of fish. And it's been a blessed evening out here.